Hello YouTube, I'm Eli the Fatigued. Welcome back to Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead. We're doing our fun run, bird run. And I was just making sure that we got everything. I think we did. So, let's just take stock of what we have. Alright, so we got a food dehydrator, a hacksaw, a lighter, a pair of scissors, tire iron, two waffle irons, a couple of blankets, which come on, keep our that blanket, patchwork quilt. I got plenty of warmth in my bed. More quilts, short subject suits. Those can all be cut apart. I don't have anything with cutting, so I do need to go down and get that. Yeah, let's drop the makeshift crowbar here. Back down where we found that hacksaw. Or head back up, I guess. Technically. Here and down here. Those enemies were below us. Here we go. Anything else we can grab while we're here is purifier. Wow. Hot plate's good. Oh, whoops. My bad. Can't play it. Ooh, where's that laptop? I might get out of mute. Can't get that. Fine, purifier jar. Microscope. I don't think I need that crafting stuff. Alright. Later. Honeycomb. Nice. Have a nice nurse. Only I can find a doctor's badge. We'll see. Frick, there's the stupid sinking Migo. This aspirin. Always good to have some aspirin. Flashlight. Nice. What am I? Separation funnel. Oh, I do need that. Holy crap. We're just like, I think we found 3 of the 4 things we need. Filter mask is good. Smack away at those walls. Nice. We got fungus among us. That dog. Okay. Mechanical whirring is bad. Soldering iron's good. But I'm pretty sure that there's a robot in here that will probably kill me. Anything good here? Oh. Lots of stuff. Wow, another autoclave. Holy crap. Oh, play pouch. Nice. The other thing I need. No. Earth serum. Exactly what I'm looking for. Organic serum. To Jen. The robots in that room above us. Makes sense why I haven't seen him yet. Purifier. Holy cow. Floor purifier. Mist purifier, did I? I did. Thought as much. Jen. Probably not gonna actually take anything until I can. Oh, hey, chemistry set. Actually, pick up the machete up here. I need them. No. Well, maybe it was the nurse bot that I was hearing the mechanical whirring of. It's fine. A screwdriver set, yeah. You need earplugs or earmuffs or something. Let's do the thing. Coloring. I don't want to make bandages. Right, I was going to butcher all this. Actually have this on me. Yeah, okay. Cut up. Belt patches. Wow, not a lot of much. That must have been from the quilts. I probably should have put the quilts on my bed. Whoops. Oh well. What do we need for a hand? Plank. Chunk of steel. Short strings. Easy. Could dash them. Nothing to dashing. And it gives me more cheats. not disassemble. Oh. So, backpack. I think I can make one yet. No. I actually have to do the practicing. Oh, nice. I think it was something else. Makeshift bandages? Uipa? I don't know how to pronounce that with that many E's. This game is really awesome, I agree. This is one of my all-time favorite zombie games, just because of how much you can do with it and in it, and the replayability is amazing. I've probably played I can't count how many characters. I probably played several dozen characters over the years. Maybe closer to like 60 or 70 characters. That's partially because I like playing long-term characters and going through the season, and not so much farming, but like, I don't know, stocking up for winter and then trying to survive for winter on characters. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I do with this one, but that's the kind of stuff I like to do. Alright, tailoring. Crafting. Tailoring is only 20%. That was what? Was it, always do full thing. Crafting, tailoring is at 82, so let's make some more makeshift bandages. Probably also some books to figure out what's in them. I make something. Noise canceling headgear, sewing, red. I'm gonna try to pronounce it. I'm gonna try to pronounce it correctly. Okay, hold up. Uipa. Thanks for the follow. Okay, so I did get the strings. Strip thread, okay. Need to disassemble, I think, short strip. Yeah, there we go. Huge. And I can make a needle. With that needle, headgear. Thank you. I think down my machete might make it faster. I could be wrong. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's faster. Either way. Okay. Put on my noise-canceling head. Glorious. No more friggin' me go. Alright. Let's, this back up. Oh, I'm not hearing it because I have the headgear on, that's right. Oh, and that's just a dark space, that's why I couldn't see it. Okay, cool. Oh, it's still there, actually. There we go. Alright, razor, hammer, hammer. Makeshift hammer, one plank, chunk of steel, and short string. Okay. Razor. Activate razor. Big to pick up. There we go. Good. Firewood source. All those planks over there. It's not a lot, fortunately. Remember right, I can break apart these sofas to get rags. Yeah. What about disassembling? I think I need... Oh, right. I was gonna go grab that. Or did I already? May have already grabbed it. Hold on. Ah. No. It's not a sewing kit. Frickin'... Screwdriver set. There it is. Okay. We're good. Makeshift hammer. That's a favorite. Disassemble this. Nice. I think I get more planks by disassembling. If I remember right. Yes, a lot more planks. Okay, sorry, hydrating. I want to break the toilet. I want to break this thing. I think that gets us, yeah, ceramic shards, water faucets, copper tubings. I didn't know you could do copper tubing. Oh my gosh. What? Should give us plenty of wood planks now. And ceramic shard and stuff to make like a knife or something. Let's see. That way I don't have to carry around the machete all the time. There we go. Make 67 planks. Plenty of fire. Lighter. devices, electronics. Electronics is good. Electronics is really good because that can get me an atomic lamp, I think. Let's read that. Like labs are running slow again. Oh, it could be the fungus. That's or the not the fungus. The mycelium. No, not the fungus. The fungus. I think it's no. Yeah, the fungal floors and all that. Probably spreading throughout the lab right now. Right. Of stuff. Level. Oh, that's one of the military bases from that one mod, XEAS or whatever. I think. I don't think that's normal military. Yeah, I think it's XEAS. Right. I'm under a research facility. That's also why it's running slow. A rural house out there. Okay. The research facility, if I remember right. Sorry, I never looked. First time I looked, I was like, okay. So. Okay. This is going to be interesting. What level am I on? 3, 4? -4. Okay. Okay, next episode, YouTube, I'm going to try and find a route up. And we'll go from there. YouTube, thank you for joining me. I have been Eli the Fatigued. You have been YouTube. You have been awesome. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Or subscribe. Whatever you choose. And, yeah, I appreciate all the support. See you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.